Zhiyun is one of the best gimbal companies that have the capability to compete with DJI. However, in the last few months, Zhiyun is fighting hard to make a comeback. They provided the Smooth 5, Crane M3, M2, and now Smooth Q4. On the other hand, we have our trusty DJI OM5 gimbal that was released around 1 year ago, and ever since then, it became so popular. And in our video today, we're going to compare the Zhiyun Smooth Q4 with the DJI OM5 to help you find out which one you should get. So, without further ado, let's dive in. This time, Smooth Q4 comes with a redesigned look for better gripping and easy packing. As soon as you bring it out of the bag, it will give you a more stable impression, because now it has a better folding system which makes it way more compact than the previous version. But the DJI OM5 looks slightly sleeker and more premium. Also, OM5 has a locking mechanism that helps it to fold up securely. As for the smartphone mount, the Smooth Q4 features a built-in clamp that opens up pretty easily and can hold your smartphone firmly, whereas the OM5 comes with a detachable magnetic clamp which provides a faster way to mount your smartphone. Both gimbals come with an extension rod to include more friends in your selfies or get any comfortable angle you like. Also, both gimbals have almost similar lengths and there's no such difference. And for stability, both of these gimbals feature a 3-axis stabilizer. To make your vlogging clear and detailed, the Smooth Q4 comes with magnetic fill light along with different color options. Let's talk about the modes they boast. The Smooth Q4 has 4 different modes that you can directly access from the gimbal without having to use any kind of app. By pressing the mode button, you can switch between the modes effortlessly and the LED indicator will show you which mode you're using. It has a full text, pan follow, go, and lock mode to make your vlogging more creative almost instantly. And if you hold the mode button for a few seconds, the gimbal will go into standby mode. On the other hand, the DJI OM5 cannot allow you to change the modes in case you're not using the DJI Mimo app. However, it does come with a mode button on the gimbal, but it doesn't provide that much. You'll only have the following mode and lock mode, otherwise the OM5 works fine. So the Smooth Q4 has a little joystick next to the start and mode button. Then on the left of the gimbal, you can locate a zoom wheel which can help you zoom in or zoom out pretty easily. And at the back of the gimbal there is a button also. By tapping it 3 times, you can switch between landscape to vertical mode. On the other hand, the DJI OM5 also has a similar button configuration to control the gimbal directly. Regarding the battery capacity, the Smooth Q4 has a 1200 mAh battery which will give you up to 15 hours of runtime, whereas the OM5 has a 1000 mAh battery which is a downgrade compared to the previous model. But DJI did this to make it more compact and lightweight. However, you'll get up to 6.4 hours according to DJI. You can get the Zhiyun Smooth Q4 at $119, which is a pretty good deal. On the other hand, DJI OM5 is available at a $159 price tag. In short, both Zhiyun Smooth Q4 and DJI OM5 have almost similar features. In terms of durability, OM5 gets the point. However, the Smooth Q4 has more built-in functionality compared to OM5, so would you prefer the Smooth Q4 over DJI's Osmo Mobile 5? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.